Hiya everyone, so today we have got an exciting advent calendar video. We have got the Technic Beauty Box advent calendar. This one is the smaller size advent calendar. This is a 24-day advent calendar. It's in the shape of a little box like this, so it's looking slim, is that way to say it. This was £24, it's 24 days, so it's working out at £1 a day. I got it from the actual Technic website. So let's just work out how we open this up in any way. So it literally opens like a beauty box. And you have all your boxes like that. Right there. Like this. It's quite pretty though. Like, I love the design. It's got little snowflakes on. It's very simplistic. I quite like the design. I've managed to jig it up. It doesn't look the straightest or anything like that, but I've managed to jig it up. So let's just get into it. Remember, this is £1 a day, so very budget friendly. And we're just going to unbox it. So day number 1 it's like a nice pastel yellow. We have got the Lift and Wrap Tubing Mascara. I love trying tubing mascaras. Let's have a look what the wand looks like. So it's just a little simplistic wand. I'm not the biggest fan of like wands like this. It doesn't look like a wand that maybe comes from their main line. You know, but it might be. You just don't know. It might actually have a wand like that. So that's day number 1. And day number 2, which is here. Let's have a look. Right. So we have got the Technic Lip Crayon in the shade Fearless, and this is it here. It's like a burnt orange shade. It's a pencil sharpener one, full size item. We want day number 3, which is here. We have got a mirror gloss lip gloss, and this is what it looks like here. Quite a pretty enough shade, like an everyday type of wear shade. It's nice. Day number 4, which is one of their larger days, which is here. And let's have a look what we've got. So we have got the Technic Eyes eyeliner pencil crayon, and it is in the shade black. It's just a black eye pencil basically. So we want day number 5, which is up here. And we have got a peptide pop. So it's a lip gloss with peptides in, and this is it here. I'm liking this up to now. These all seem like proper products. Yeah, I'm liking this, right? That's day number 5. We want day number 6. Was right near it, and we've dropped it. We have got another peptide gloss, but it is slightly darker than the one we have just getting. I was like, have I gotten the same item in the last 2 days? But no, definitely slightly different items, but like the same item but different shades. Day number 7 is this one here, and it's like got a little snowflake on. We have got a coconut lip scrub. This is quite a good little size and all. We definitely have had smaller ones. It really smells coconutty and all, and it looks very compressed in there as well, which I think looks quite nice. That actually looks like a really nice little lip scrub. That was day number 7. We want day number 8, which is here. One of their little days again. We have got the Technic Satin Sheen Brilliant Shine. I think it's a lipstick, yeah, a cream lipstick in caramis I can't even pronounce that, so I'm not gonna try, but that is it there. That's cute. I like little lipsticks like this size. I think that's actually the perfect size of lipstick for me, because I don't wear a lot of lip products. So that was day number 8. We want day number 9, which is here. We have got a Best in Brow Strong Hold Brow Gel. Oh, I'm quite excited about this. Is it a clear one? Does it say? Doesn't say. It looks clear in that, is it there? I do like a little bit of a brow gel. I feel like I stock up on brow gels and advent calendars for the rest of the year because I never have to buy a brow gel unless it's like tinted or something like that. That was 9. We want 10, which is here, which has the little snowflake on the box as well. We have got the Technic plumping lip gloss, and look at that. How pretty is that? I'm gonna have a go with this. This will probably come on your lips clear, but that is definitely like up my street. It has a coconut scent, I think. I wouldn't say it's tingly or anything like that. Well, it hasn't yet. That's 10. I like that date. We want date number 11, which is here. We have got another mirror gloss, and it is in a very nude shade. Definitely not my cup of tea for a shade that. But I know a lot of people would love that shade, like with a dark lip liner. We want date number 12, which is another little one here. We are getting another little lipstick. It is a satin sheen one again, and it is in Fearless. I'm sure we've just had something in that shade. Was it the lip liner? I feel like we have like a burnt orange shade, so that we're getting stuff to match. So that's good. So that's 12. With date number 13, which is this one here. We have got another tubing mascara, and it is the Lift and Wrap one. I'm sure I own the full size of that one, so I'm not actually going to open that one up. Right, and that's 13. We want day number 14, which is here. We have got something wrapped in tissue. That's always exciting. We have got the cream blusher, and it is in the shade just blush cream. But this is what it looks like, yeah. That is it there. That is something different. That is something exciting. I quite like this, you know. I'm enjoying this one. That was 14. Day number 15, which is here. We have got the nude eyeshadow powder. I definitely am running out of powders. I feel like this is just a little bit too light for me, which, believe it or not, I have really dark eyebrows. I've just tinted them so they're even darker, so that doesn't help. I do like that. I like that. So that's 15, but that wouldn't work for everyone. So we want 16, which is, yeah. Oh, it's a different shape. I don't feel like we've had one this shape yet. Let's have a look. What are you? We have got there smoothing primer. I own this. I'm sure I got this in last year's advent calendar. And it is just like a very silicone type primer, but it was nice enough. So we've got that one. We want 17, which is this little blue one with a snowflake, which I kind of love, not gonna lie. We've got something else wrapped in tissues, which is always like exciting. We have got the warm nude single eyeshadow. It's like a burnt peach. It's really bonny shade, like a terracotta. Really nice shade. That was 17. On day number 18, which is just at the side of it. We've got another something wrapped in tissue. We've got another cream blusher, and this one is actually in the shade Flush. It doesn't look much different than the other one, but I have just compared because I was like, oh, I'm not so sure, but it is definitely different. It's just slightly though. So yeah, we've got another little cream blush. So that's 2 cream blushes. I'm quite excited about them though. I really am quite excited about them. So that was 18. We want 19, which is up here. We have got another lip liner, and it is in the shade Caram. It's in the shade of the matching the other lipstick, which I cannot pronounce what this says. Yeah, but that is it there. That was 19. We're coming to the end. I hate it when we come to the end. I love advent calendars. I love advent calendars. I can't believe it's advent calendar season. Well, it isn't. It's before advent calendar season, but I can't believe advent calendars are kicking off. So that's 19. We want 20, which is this one here. We have got a warm nude eyeshadow. I quite like this. I feel like this is never everyday eyeshadow. It's a bit like putting bronzer in your eyes. I feel like that's what that like is. Probably could use that as a bronzer as well, to be honest. That was 20. We want 21, which is here. We have got, ooh, this is pretty. We have got the Hot Foil Cream Pigment Palette. Oh, I'm going to have to swatch this. I mean, how stunning is this? Whether I would use this very much is a different question. But I can't not have, oh my god, not show you what this is like. That is on another level. That for £1. I'm sorry, but that is actually stunning on another level. And I've still got some on my fingertips. Oh my god, that's stunning. Oh, I love that. So that was day number 21. I'm like over the moon with that. That's a beautiful, beautiful little palette. Like, if you just want a colour, it's not going to take a big mountain room in your drawer. 21, we want 22. That was really nice. Right, so look what we got in 22. We've got another cream blusher. So this is our third cream blusher, and this is in Swoon. I feel like they all look very similar. There's not much difference in their shades, like, you know, like major difference, but nice enough. That was 22. We want day number 23. We're coming to the end. We have got the Technic bronzing drops. So these are like a bronzy drop. I feel like we may have got them in previous years. I'll have to look what I've got and what I've not got. So that's 23. And then our last day, which is 24, which is only a little square, which makes you kind of think, oh, what's our last day going to be? So our last day is a berry lip treatment. I feel like this should have ended on that little eyeshadow cord. Oh, it smells beautiful though. Really smells really nice. So that is our last day. And that is the small version of the Technic Advent Calendar. What do you guys think of it? I actually am quite impressed. I feel like for £1 a day, I'm really impressed. I feel like we had too many cream blushers. That's the only kind of gripe I have with it. I love that little eyeshadow trio. Love it. It's quite lip heavy, I would say. It's a lip. We've got lip liners, lip glosses, lip balms, lip scrubs. It's very lip heavy, actually. When you think about it, it's very lip heavy. But I like it. It's not a bad advent calendar for £1 a day. It's just whether you, if the products inside are worth it for you. But yeah, I think I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the price I paid, and I'm happy with the items that's in this advent calendar. What do you guys think down below? I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions. I am going to be unboxing the larger one as well, and the W7 one too. So if you haven't already, I would love to subscribe down below, because I do an advent calendar giveaway. I do advent calendar giveaways in the month of November, where I give away items from each of my advent calendars, and I make 3 or 2 like advent calendars up for you guys. And anyways, but I hope you enjoyed this, and anyways, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.